Welcome back to Evolving Mail. So it's going to be a quick video. I'm taking that off and I'm going to put on one by AFE. So I'll take a few shots of this going on. But right now I'm just taking off this one right here by the intake. I took the two off here and I popped these two off right there and broke this little clip right there. Broke that little clip right there. Popped both of these off this wire. But it's overall two screws. One screw over here. I gotta take this off, gotta take this off, take these off. It's pretty quick. I don't think I even need instructions a whole lot. So okay, so I got some of it done. I got all that out. I gotta take out these 3 bolts, take this out. I think I gotta take this out here. I've got most of it apart. Okay, so now I've got this new housing in place. I'm gonna put these bolts back in, and then I got that in place right there. Okay, so I got the filter in here. I got the adapter in the filter, and there's 3 bolts that line up on the housing right there. Now I got to tighten this clamp down onto the filter right there, and then I'm ready for the arm. Okay, I got everything in. Everything is good to go, and I'm not going to start it up out with the top off because the rain's here, so we're going to wait till it stops raining, and then we'll give it a test. So stay tuned. Whole thing took me like 20 minutes, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's start her up. Can we hear anything? Got a little something. Take the windows down. Back him out, back him out, back him out. Gotta wait till I can. You can hear a little something. Okay. Here we go. Try it with the windows up. Okay, ready? Here we go. Yep, sounds pretty good to me. Let me try it again when it comes to a stop. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out here and come to a dead stop and then take off. Ready? Here we go. Dragon. That sounds good. That sounds good. Sounds like I got a V7 in this joker. A V7, not a V8, because that's the Challenger. But a V7, not a V6. This sounds pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? Sounds pretty good? Yep, I think it sounds good. Let me back off a little bit and give it another hit. Oh. Yeah, I think she sounds pretty good. Definitely a V7. Definitely a V7. Okay, so that's that. Like I said, I really like it. The AFE really made a difference. I got that pedal commander. Geez, I can't think. It's early. I got the pedal commander thing on there, so the throttle response. If they ever accept returns, I think I'm going to take that off. I think I'm going to buy the one by AFE instead. It is supposed to give you a little bit more horsepower. Has like a little tune, I guess, or whatever. And try that one out. Overall, the throttle response, I'm sure, is going to do about the same thing. They're about the same price, so I'm going to try it out. I like AFE stuff. The packaging was really pretty good. It really works. I'm really happy with it. You guys heard what it sounds like, so I think you can agree that it's pretty loud. It sounds pretty good. Seems to give me a little bit more horsepower, and to see the pants horsepower anyway. It could all be in my head. Who cares? But hey, that's all that matters, is that things in my head seem right. And it's our perception really is what is reality. So as always, thanks for checking me out. Please hit like, hit subscribe, come back. Please tell your friends, and tell your friends' friends. And anyway, I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching. And as always, come see me on Evolving Mail. See you guys later. Bye-bye.